I am short 2 contracts on the TF. I'm going to put my first target at 11.95.01. You can see that the price hit the first institutional target at 11.98.1, and that's where I got filled 2 contracts short. And this is a reversal trade. You can see on the trading panel the market analyzer windows, both sides are green. I've got 2 green buy bullets, and I've got the multi BBTs, buyers over sellers on both of them. My 3-minute chart's in the bottom left hand corner. So I'm going to leave my first target at 11.95 even, just above that support line, and I'm going to leave my second target as a runner. Right now it's just above the mid band. So that was my setup, a reversal off of the first institutional target on the TF. Okay, just wanted to point out the price range line is right below the mid band, and there's a floating fib in conjunction with the mid band. I'm going to move my stop to a break even plus 1 tick. You can see the price bounce off that support line, but there's no floating fib in conjunction with that support line, and there's no floating fib or support line on the 3-minute chart. Still got a lot of up pressure in the market, buyers over sellers on the multi BBT, and I still got those 2 green buy bullets on the longer time frame. The longest time frame, the 15 to 20, sorry, the 15 to 30 and the 60, I have a no trade, but I'm still looking for the price to drop. You can see sell orders coming into the market, this bank of red dots on the trading panel, and it looks like the price is breaking this support line right here at 11.63, sorry, 11.96.3. Because that bar hasn't closed yet. It took a little while for the price to break this support line right here. I'm going to move my stop down a little bit. I'm going to put it right above that pivot. Okay, my first target was filled. I'm just looking at the 3-minute chart. I may move my second target down to the support area. This seems like there's a lot of support on the 3-minute chart down here. I'm going to put it right above the support line. There's floating fibs below it, and there's a pivot line and price range line just below that, and a pivot zone. So there's a lot of support down here. So I'm going to just I'm on a free trade. I'm just going to see what happens. Might lower my target down. I'm just going to put it right above the upper band. So on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart, there's a pivot line right at the lower band, and there's another pivot line just below that, and this is a pivot zone, and that's a price range line. That yellow dotted line is a price range line. I do expect the price to bounce off of this support line in the floating fib It could plow right through it, but I've got two green buy bullets on the trading panel, and you got sellers over buyers on the amateurs, and the institutional traders are even, 71% bears and 29% bulls. I'm going to leave my stop up here just above that pivot. And I've got break even plus 6 ticks right now, and see where this trade takes me. I could move it down and put it just above this resistance line with a floating fib, but I'm going to give it as much room as I can. This mid-band on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart is at the same price as that support line. It's within a couple of ticks on the 3-minute chart. You can see the traders pushing this market down. They're selling this market. You got sellers over buyers on both the multi-BBTs, but the trend is still up because I've got still got two green buy bullets, and the one green buy bullet in the 5, the 10, and the 15-minute charts, and another green buy bullet in the 10, the 20, and the 30-minute charts. So the trend is still up, and traders are pushing this market down. You can see on the shorter time frames on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart, the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 6, and the 3, and the 6, and the 9 charts. Well, I'm sorry, I don't have a red bullet there, but I do in the shorter time frame charts. I do have a sell signal. So the price has got to break this support line on the 3-minute chart and continue down to my target. Now I've got sell orders coming into the market. This bank of red dots, I got a sell signal, and I still got sellers over. I still have sellers over buyers on the multi-BBT. I'm going to lower my stop. We'll put it right above this resistance line on the 6-3 wrinkle bar chart. Looks like the price bounced off of the mid band on the 3-minute chart. Four ticks above that support line on the 3-minute chart. It's my second target. I have another sell signal. Got a down arrow on a red bar, and there's another sell signal here, but I was already in the trade. Okay, this signal occurred with the price above the small trigger line, so I probably wouldn't have taken that one. Still got sellers over buyers on the multi-BBT, but that concerns me right there. I need the price to drop a little bit more. I'm going to drop my stop and put it just above this resistance line with the floating fib. So it's 2 ticks above it at 1195.2. Okay, now I only have one green buy bullet on the trading panel. Okay, now I have a sell signal on the trading panel, one red sell bullet on the 5, the 10, and the 15-minute charts. Still have sellers over buyers on the multi-BBT. And then what concerns me, I've got 1, 2, 3 bars close above the small trigger line. I got buy orders coming in the market. I'm going to move my stop down. I'm going to put it just above this pivot right here. It's either going to hit my target or stop me out at this point. It looks like it came within 2, maybe 3 ticks of hitting my profit target. Just one more push down. I'm going to put my stop just above this price range line to protect some more of my profit. Alright, got an up bar. See if I come down and give me a little bit more before I get stopped out. That came within a couple of ticks of hitting my target. You can see how this small trigger line is pinching together, coming together. When the price started trading above the small trigger line, I knew it was getting close to the end. Didn't quite make my original target. Okay, I'm looking for just one more push down. See, the multi-BBTs are even now. Buyers and sellers are even. I still have one red sell bullet in the 5, the 10, and 15 minute. But you can see on the multi-Mac, it's turned positive. The bars have turned positive down here. It came within a tick of stopping me out. Maybe it'll push on down. It hit that
target filled.
It came to the price range line and it was rejected and filled my target. Not exactly where I wanted to get filled at, but it's close, and I'll take it. Okay, 141 ticks, 81 ticks on the TF and 60 ticks on the CL. This is Riley with Best Pro Trade, wishing you the best in all your trading.